Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of YouTube app, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your YouTube app on your phone, first open up your YouTube app. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a U button available for us just beside the subscription. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And before you proceed to log out of your account, guys, make sure you're logged into the correct account on YouTube. And with that being said, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a settings or the gear icon available for us at the top right. Tap on it and this kind of page will appear where you can see the account option available for us over here just below the general. Tap on account. And over here, when this pop-up appears, you can see the manage accounts button available for us over here just above the learn more about account option. Tap on manage accounts and to land over here. Now in order to sign out of your YouTube app, guys, the only way we can log into a YouTube app is through a Google account. So let's tap on the Google over here just below the Facebook. Tap on Google, and all of the accounts which you have logged into your YouTube app will be available over here. Now in order to log out of a certain account, tap on the account available over here from which you want to log out. For example, I'll be going to this one, and after tapping, guys, this kind of interface will appear for a particular account which you have. Now tap on or choose on the account from which you want to log out, and when this kind of interface appears, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner and the remove account button will be available for you. Tap on remove account and this pop-up will appear, and tap on remove account again and you will be logged out of your YouTube app permanently, or your account will be removed. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to log out of your YouTube app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.